Hello, this is Michael. This time, let me show you a surgical face mask with TUV certificate. Let me show you this surgical face mask. This is their factory. This is their workshop. Let me show you the details. Let me zoom in. Surgical face mask. This standard. Type IIR. This standard. With TUV certificate. Produced by medical company. Sterile. This is the gift box. Let me show you. This standard, very clear. Surgical face mask. Filtration efficiency, 99%. $2,000 pieces per carton. Let me show you the EC certificate issued by TUV. Issued by TUV. This certificate is valid from 2019 to 2022, so now it is still valid. Let me show you the test report. You can see the bacteria filtration efficiency. Minimum result is 99.8%. So it's pretty good. Test report. So if you need this mask, please contact me. It has qualified TUV certificate and the price is not expensive. Unit price is about $0.32 US. If you need the mask, please contact me. I can arrange quick delivery for you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.